Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I will be trying out the Ordinary Multi-Active Delivery Essence. So I'll be trying it out with you guys. You guys will see it first, impressions, everything. I haven't used it before, so it's all brand new. So this is an essence. So an essence is usually used after like you cleanse your skin. If you have a toner, you use your toner, then you proceed with your essence. Essence, in essence, prepares the skin for the next products that you would like basically apply on the skin. So it helps sort of like prep the skin and is usually very hydrating. They say it targets dryness, dullness, textural irregularities, and dehydration, and it's for all skin types. I thought it would be nice to wash my face before, proceeding with this. And usually I would go in with a toner. So what I'll do right now, in fact, I'm going to go in my toner. So just give me a moment, I'll be right back. To quickly go in with my toner all over my face. So basically what toners do is that it takes up impurities from the face, like the impurities that the cleanser didn't exactly take off, and it also helps to allows for other products you apply on your skin to further penetrate in. So it just basically preps and takes off impurities, and then toners also balance the skin, but they are very optional. It's not compulsory, but personally I love my toners a lot to use toners on my face. So because I find out that it takes off a lot of dirt and like impurities that my cleanser didn't take off. So that's it. So now that I'm done with my toner, the next step is to go in with this multi-active delivery essence. So like I said, this is the first time I'll be trying it out and I'm excited to use it. Yeah, it doesn't have any fragrance to it, and let's see the consistency. Oh yeah, so it is runny, it is watery basically. So this is a few drops, and what I'll do is I just rubbed it and it lathered. There's a bit of it lathered a bit. So this is me pressing it onto my skin, patting it on. So do not confuse this for toner. This is not a toner, this is an essence. That's how it goes on. And it's actually fast absorbing and it feels very hydrating. So I'm just going to take a few more drops and just to apply on my skin. Even though it lathers, it eventually disappears. My face is hydrated. So that's how you want to use it. And so after using it, so apply to the face in the morning and evening using cotton pad or fingers. So in my opinion, just not so that you don't waste this product, it's best to put it on your palm and then slap it on your face. Not like slap literally, like just pat it onto your face. But if you prefer to use a cotton pad, no problem, use it. So this is what, let me zoom in and see. Yeah, so that is, my face feels quite plump. So that's it. So now that I am done with this, I will proceed to apply other products, like the rest of my skincare products. Then while I'm doing that, I will also let you know, talk to you more about this product. So basically, like I've read about it to you. So it is, in my opinion, it is one of those products that it's just an add-on, especially if you have quite dry skin, or if you want extra hydration, a boost of hydration, it is a good one to go for. But being completely honest with you guys, is this something that I will go out of my way to purchase? No, I won't, because it's just one of those things that, okay, it's nice to have, but it is not compulsory in my opinion. My channel, I tell you guys the truth. So it's not exactly compulsory, to purchase. And what am I applying on my face now? I'm applying my azelaic acid. This also has niacinamide, because they said this and niacinamide, they go together really well. So yes, so this essence is going to equally help to, ensure that the remaining products I apply on my face will get delivered really well into my skin. So this is the acrylic niacinamide, and it's from Dermatica. So it's a treatment I like to use ever so often. If I don't use this, I use my vitamin C. So back to this, will I purchase it? It's not something I would exactly go out of my way to purchase, but then again, it's just a lovely add-on if you want that extra added hydration. Wondering, okay, should I purchase this or hyaluronic acid? Both of them are different, but they're a bit similar in the sense that they both have to do with hydration. So now that I'm done with my treatment, the final step, because of this is evening time, is moisturizer. You know, I'll go in with my moisturizer. So I know that essences, well, essence, it's a Korean thing, like not like it's a Korean, it's, I mean, whenever I hear essence, I remember like Korean beauty products, and you know that Korean skincare has to do with glass skin and everything. So once again, this is just a lovely add-on, and I think it costs about £10 something ish, and this essence can be used on all skin types, dry, oily, normal skin. It's suitable for all skin types. And then let's see what quantity of products you get. You get 100 ml worth of products in here, and yes, and you can use it morning and night. So I think basically, honestly, that's about it for this essence. Like I said, it's just a lovely add-on for added hydration, and if you use things like serums like niacinamide, it will help to double the absorption. And in my opinion, I feel that, I mean, to help with, even if you use it alongside other antioxidants, it will equally do a lovely job. So that's it for this video. Is this something you'll consider purchasing? Will you consider it? Or are you already using it? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to use this very frequently. If I notice any difference or anything, I will certainly come on and let you guys know. And with all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.